Welcome to the channel called CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be drawing the 3D view of the 2D views that are shown on your screen. So on the screen is an engineering component that was drawn in first angle projection, where we will be drawing this object in a pictorial view. So thanks for joining us. And in the previous video, we looked at the construction of a first angle projection. So perhaps you could visit that video, okay? Shown on the screen is the front elevation and the plan and the two end elevations for an engineering component. Good. Now, the point X on the front elevation and in the plan is the lowest point for the object, right? So you could turn the 3D, we're drawing the object in a 3D view. So we could turn the object in different orientations, right? So the point X on the drawing is showing us how the drawing will be turned facing the user. Okay, how will it be positioned on the computer screen in relation to where the user or the viewer is looking at the 3D object, okay? All right, so what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna start off with point X. So we're gonna come down here. All right, the first thing we need to do is set up our units. So we type UN, units. All right, so decimal, we're gonna change the precision to 0. We are in millimeters, so we're gonna accept that and then we press OK. All right, the next thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn on our isoplane. There are 3 of them. We'll be starting with the right one. Okay, so we'll click this button and here it is. All right, so we're gonna go line and we're starting with the lowest position. All right, we're gonna go up. Length is 60. So we type in 60, enter. All right. All right, here's our line at 60 millimeters. We're going to go up now 20 millimeters. So we go 20, enter. Then we're going to come back 60 millimeters. Then we're going to go down 20 millimeters, enter. All right, so this is the lowest point. Then going across, it is when we subtract the distance, total distance across is 160, 160 millimeters minus 40 millimeters, 120. So this distance is 120. So this distance going across here will be 10 millimeters. All right. So let us center the drawing. All right. All right. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna change our isoplane so that you can see the left side, right? So we're gonna go now line, turn on object snap, which is this icon down here. Is fixed to there, that corner. And this will be the first point we click. And the length here will be 10 millimeters. Then you go up 20. and then you enter, and then you would come back this way 10 millimeters, and we can actually come here and press enter. So this is the lowest point on the isometric drawing. Okay, all right. Now I'm gonna be drawing now the part which is coming this side, which is 20 millimeters going back. So I'm gonna come here now. So I'm gonna go line, and then from here I want to be going 20 millimeters. Enter. All right. Then the height going up is 50 millimeters. Yes, so we're gonna go up 50 millimeters. So we go line, make sure ortho is on, and this height will be 50. Enter. Then this line going across would be 80 millimeters, would be 160 millimeters. All right. Then going down, it would be 50 millimeters. Now bear in mind that you may not see this corner over there, because when I'm gonna draw that apart, it's gonna block it out. All right. So we're gonna draw a line from here to get the semicircle from here going up there. This measurement will be 100 millimeters. Enter. Right? Then at the 100 millimeters, it would go down 20 millimeters. Good. They would go across 10 millimeters. Enter. Then it would go up 20 millimeters. Enter. Then it would come back 10 millimeters this way. Undo. Oops, redo. All right. This line is too tall, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Delete. This line, delete. All right, so we're going up 10 there. So you need a line coming back from here to there. Enter. All right, so that's that part. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw a line from here going back 60 millimeters. So we go line from there, and the angle, I need to change this to the right if I want to go back that way, right? So this should be 60. Enter, right? Then coming back here now, we'd have to change this to the left so we can get this one. That is 120. Enter. All right, so are you seeing it now? What we're gonna do, we're gonna draw we're gonna complete drawing the box here, and then we come back to draw the semicircle. All right, so let me do that for you. So we have gone up 50. The length going, so we have to change back to this right isoplane this way. So the length here would be 20. So let us do that now. Line going up 20. And the height would be 30. Right, so we're going up 30. Then we're gonna go across 60. Then we're gonna go down 30. Then we're gonna go across 20. Then we're gonna go up 50. 50. Then we're gonna come back down here. And that is that, right? Now, I'm gonna draw the box and then trim it after, alright? So if you come here, come there, this length would be 80. No, it would be 100. 100. Then, if you want to connect it back, we'd have to turn on the left, and there it is. That would be the back. Enter. All right. We have come to the end of part 1, and in part 2, we will complete the drawing by putting the cylinder on the top. We'll be putting the hole in the cylinder, and we'll be drawing the semicircle that's on the flat part on the lowest point on the drawing. So we look forward to seeing you in part 2. Take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.